What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So on this video, I'm going to share with you how you can post simple videos in order to make $30,000 per month, and this is going to be a full tutorial. Now, you may have caught some videos like this onto YouTube, and when I go and check some of the comments, some people will say that they don't think it'll go against terms of service and policy and privacy policies and things like that. So I will show you in this video with the strategy I'm going to share with you how this goes right along with terms of service and the privacy policy, so you're good to go with this strategy. Now, if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Lindsay, and on this channel I share with you guys tips and strategies on how to earn income from home. Now, if those type of topics interest you, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell, so that way you can get updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. Now, the reason why I want to do this video is because when I am working from home, I like to listen to music while I am working to kind of create some ambient noise in the background. So I'm going to share with you in this video, and I'm also going to share with you one of my favorite channels that is actually doing this, that is actually crushing with this strategy, and how you can do the same. Also, if you want to know how I am making money online, underneath this video in the description below, go ahead, click on that link to learn my #1 way to earn income online. So let's go ahead and let's dive into the content. So one of the channels that I like to listen to while I'm doing work is called Chill Hop Music. Now on this channel, they do a lot of kind of like house music and just low chill music or whatever else. And this is what I like to listen to because it's just very relaxing, and it's some really good study music. And as you can see here, this channel has over 2.9 million subscribers. So that means a lot of people are actually tuning into this channel and listening to the music. And as you can see here, they have uploads that range anywhere from 2 minutes and 45 seconds long, all the way up to over an hour. Some of them goes for hours. And as you can see here, they have 2 live streams that are just playing right now, and they have thousands of people watching these live streams. So if we were to come over here to Social Blade, we can actually see with this particular channel that it's averaging anywhere from $3.3 thousand up to $52,000 per month. Now, this is not, on Social Blade, they don't give you true results just because they do not know the exact algorithm that YouTube is using. But here we can see this is kind of like on average, and they could possibly be earning more with this particular channel simply by playing music. And you can see here, we scroll down a bit, we can see some days they're earning anywhere from $118 to upwards of $2,000 per day with this channel. And what they're doing with this channel is simply they are playing music, and then they have a cartoon animation pretty much that is just on loop while it's playing music. And right now we're looking at the live stream, so we can see that people are being active in this live stream, and the music is playing, and again, they just have a video that's just on a continuous loop. So how can you do this, and does this go against YouTube policy? So, well, one, this channel is monetized for one, and then two, if we were to come over here to if you go to the YouTube monetization policies for 2020 and you come over under copyright, we can see right here, and they actually have a video right here telling you what types of music you can definitely use on YouTube that you can also get monetized, so that way you can earn from it as well. And the music that they are referring to in this video is the music that you can find in the audio library inside of YouTube. So isn't this great, guys? All you have to do with this strategy is have a YouTube channel, one. Two, the next thing you want to do is you want to find music. Well, they already have the music for you. So once you create your YouTube channel, you want to go to YouTube Studio, and on the side you will see audio library. And now you have a full library of music that you can use that is royalty free and is free for you to use. Now, with these audios that you find in the back office, of YouTube Studio, you can only use for your YouTube videos. You don't want to use these videos use this audio with any other things that you're doing outside of YouTube. Make sure you're using these audios for YouTube, and that is also explained in this video as well. So what you want to do is, if you want to create a channel like the Chill Hop radio station that I just shared with you, you can find music on here that's for dance and electronica, and you can choose a dark theme or dramatic. They have bright, and you could choose ones down here. You can also choose hip hop and rap. And if you find the ones again that are dark, or they're kind of slower in how they're in the music, how it flows and everything else, you can also use that as well. Now, if you go this route and you start to earn from YouTube AdSense with your channel, what you can also do is you can come over here to Fiverr.com, and you can come over here, and if you just do a search for chill music, you can actually find people on here who will actually create music for you that you can use for your YouTube channel. And some of them, like this one right here, will give you full rights to the song. And again, they will make lo-fi, hip-hop, chill music with full rights. And that's the same type of music that's being played on Chill Hop Radio. Is lo-fi, hip-hop music. So you can definitely do that when you start to earn with your channel. Now, the next thing that you want to do is you want to find either a static image that you can use, or you want to find a video that you can use that you can just put on continuous loop. So we can come over here to a website called pexels.com, and if we click on videos, they will give us options of videos that we can use, and you can choose any of these videos and just put them on a continuous loop while you're editing these videos. So let's search for like an animated video, and you can see here they have a wide variety of different videos underneath this option. So if we were to choose this one right here, let's choose this one. We could choose this option right here and just put it on a continuous loop, and that's how you can come up with your video image for your music. Now, this is what other big YouTube channels is doing as well. Just like this one right here, they're playing some EDM music in the back. And right here, this is just a continuous video. It is like this for 3 minutes long, and all she's doing is twirling this girl's hair. And it's just pretty much a short video they just have on a continuous loop. So you can definitely do this. Now, again, once you start to earn with your channel and you want to invest into your channel to actually increase the quality of your videos and things like that, what you can do is you can also come back to Fiverr, and they have people on here that will actually do cartoon video animations. Now, this particular one right here, they charge $200. You don't have to choose something like this. If you definitely want to keep in line with your budget, you can definitely go to any other freelancing website, anything like Upwork.com. You can always also go to freelancer.com. There's a wide variety of different freelance websites that you can go to and find people who can actually create these animation videos for you for a lesser price. But I'm just going to share this with you for this example. So you can come over here and find somebody to create a simple cartoon animation here, and you can put this on a continuous loop with the music that you have found on the audio library inside of YouTube. Or again, if you're trying to make some small investments into your channel, you can go and find paid music that you have created for you on Fiverr, and you can put this together. So that's how you can post simple videos on YouTube without having, and make money from it every single month without having to show your face, without having to create your own content or anything like that. The only things that you're doing is you're going to the YouTube audio library, you're finding music, you're finding a short video that you can put on a continuous loop from Pexels.com. You can also go to sites like Unsplash and also Pixabay.com to find short videos or static images that you can use. And what you want to do is you want to upload those videos to YouTube. So what you want to do in order to hack the algorithm and go ahead and get your channel going so that way you can get monetized and everything else sooner is you want to drop a video every single day. Now, the reason why I say this is because I watch a lot of YouTube videos where people tell you to, you want to be consistent with your uploading, which you actually do. But some people will say just record one video, upload one video a week, or do 3 videos a week. I say if you want to get results sooner, upload a video every single day. Go ahead and do whatever is necessary, do whatever it takes in order for you to get your channel monetized, so that way you can start earning from your efforts. Now, also what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're targeting keywords in your titles and things like that, so that way your channel can be found. And then also the more content you put out there, it'll also increase the likelihood of you getting shown more in the search engines and things like that, so that way people can find your videos and start to watch them. So in this video, I share with you a strategy where you can actually post simple videos on YouTube and make at least $30,000 per month. Now, if you want to know more about how I'm actually making money online and how I'm actually leveraging YouTube in order to make sales, underneath this video in the description below, go ahead, click on that link, and they'll actually take you to a video that's going to explain how you can make money with affiliate marketing. And that's what I do with my online business is what I talk about a lot on this channel, and you can find out the exact system that I am using that's helping me to earn income from home. Now, if everything that I show you in this video, you found it helpful, make sure you leave a comment below. Also, let me know where in the world you are watching from, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.